DL2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe. Good day, pageant lovers. Here are the top 10 semi-finalists in the Miss Grand Philippines 2024 competition. The top 10 Miss Grand Philippines, starting up with Miss Grand Quirino, Miss Grand Pasig City, Miss Grand Pangasinan, Miss Grand Manila, Miss Grand Zambales, Miss Grand Himamaylan Negros Occidental, Miss Grand Laguna, Miss Grand Cavite, and Miss Grand Castillejos Zambales. Sila nga po ang ating Miss Grand Philippines 2024 Top 10 finalists. On our next video, malalaman na po natin kung sino ang tatanghalin bilang Miss Grand Philippines 2024 na lalaban para sa Miss Grand International 2024 competition. Thank you so much for watching at maraming salamat din sa iyong pag-subscribe.